Good morning, dear children. In our today's class, we are going to start with topic number 17, question tags. As name of the topic suggests, this is related with question. Okay, this is related with question. You may or may not heard about these question tags, but yes, when I will show you what are question tags and when you will read these group of words, then you will definitely come to know, अरे ये तो हमने पढ़ा था या ये तो किसी ने यूज भी किया था सेंटेंस में, but you may not know that these are actually called question tags. Yes, so after this session you will definitely be able to use these question tags in your own sentences and you will be able to recognize these question tags. Yes, so question tags are actually not a complete sentence. Question tags cannot be used alone. Okay, these are few group of words that does not make a complete sentence. So these are always used with other group of words to make a complete sense. So let's get started. Let us read this first example here. The air pollution levels are increasing. Can you see that this is a declarative sentence or a positive sentence, or you can say an affirmative sentence? It is just giving in any information. Yes, are the air pollution level increasing? This is a question sentence. Why? Because it is ending with a question mark and it is asking a question. The air pollution levels are increasing, aren't they? So this particular example is an affirmative as well as it is an affirmative sentence, but when this question tag is added with this affirmative sentence, then this whole sentence has become a question. Yes, so here it becomes a question with the addition of this question tag. So such group of words are called question tags. Yes, so I told you that these are not used as a complete sentence. हम सिर्फ इन्हीं को खाली question tags को use करके नहीं question पूछ सकते हैं. These are always attached with a statement, whether a negative or a positive statement. Yes, so what are question tags? These are group of words that appears at the end of the sentence and changes it into a question. ठीक है, चाहे वो positive sentence हो या negative sentence हो, end में आकर के these question tags can make any statement into a question statement. For example, Leah has read the book, hasn't she? Appearing at the end, yes, and making the statement into a question sentence. Raj is going to the supermarket, isn't he? Yes, isn't he? So, asking a question, yes, so again this has become a question sentence. You don't like spicy food, do you? Again a question mark. So this whole sentence is a question sentence. And किसकी help से, किसकी वजह से? With these question tags. Yes, so what you have to do, dear children, here you have to do question number 1 here, in which you have to underline the question tags in the following sentences. So first sentence is MS Dhoni is a cricket player, isn't he? What is the question tag here? Isn't he? Yes, how will you identify these question tags? These are appearing at the end and after this we obviously put a question mark. And yes, okay, and these are making this whole sentence into a question sentence. B part, Tina hasn't slept yet. Has she? What is the question tag? Has she? Yes, so likewise you have to do part C, D, E, F and G. This is your homework. Okay. Now look at the following sentences. Few things that you keep in mind. An ostrich lays the largest egg, doesn't it? What is the question tag? Doesn't it? An ostrich cannot fly, can it? So dear children, did you notice a difference between these two sentences? Here the question tag is a negative one and here the question tag is a positive one. Yes, so why there is a difference between these two? See dear children, here the statement is a positive statement. An ostrich lays the largest egg. That's why this question tag is negative. Okay, we have added does. We have added not with does. Does not का contracted form है that we read in previous topic. Yes, does not, doesn't it. Okay, and in second example, an ostrich cannot fly. This is a negative statement. Negative statement with the help by this word not. Okay, the whole statement has become a negative one. तो जब statement negative होता है, then we use a positive question tag. Can it? Here we cannot write can't it. So the whole statement will become a positive one. ठीक है, वो पॉजिटिव हो जाएगी. ओके, लेकिन हमें जब पॉजिटिव स्टेटमेंट होता है वी यूज नेगेटिव क्वेश्चन टैग. व्हेन द स्टेटमेंट इज नेगेटिव वी यूज पॉजिटिव क्वेश्चन टैग. ओके, व्हेन द स्टेटमेंट इज नेगेटिव वी यूज नॉट, shortened form not, and when in a sentence not is already used, we do not use not to make a question tag. Yes, so you have to underline the question tag in the sentence below, and you have to write P for positive question tags and N for negative question tags. This is very very easy. First A part is he hasn't played chess for a long time. Has he? So here look at the sentence, he hasn't played chess for a long time. This is a negative sentence. How will you identify that this is a negative sentence? Here this contraction has plus not is hasn't. Okay, so with the inclusion of word not, we can say that this statement is a negative statement, and when the statement is negative, question tag will be positive. Yes, so this is the question tag and this is the positive question tag. Look at the another statement, we should respect our parents. No word, negative word here, no negative word. We should respect our parents is an affirmative, is a declarative, is a positive sentence. Yes, so which question tag we will use? Here we will use the negative question tag. Okay, so this is the question tag which is negative. Here we have you should plus not, contraction form shouldn't. Okay, so this is with the inclusion of word not, so this has become a negative question tag. So here we will write N. You all, I am sure you all will be able to do part C, D, E, F on your own. Yes, I hope you have understood this question number 1 and 2 and the concept of question tag. Here are few more rules that we need to keep in mind while doing, while identifying and while applying question tags in our sentences. This we will read in next class. Thank you.